Stepping inside, the Sportage has taken a clear move upmarket, following Kia's larger SUV, the Sorento. Hard plastics commonly associated with mainstream vehicles certainly still exist, but a combination of smartly executed design details and plentiful soft-touch trim markedly improve the perception of quality. This could be potentially lifted further with a classy-looking blue-white dual-tone interior trim. See the gallery in our initial reveal story here. Though from launch the Sportage will stick to what is something of a Kia tradition with an all-black cabin. The L-shaped console is also smartly finished in gloss black plastic and accommodates another smaller dial for driving modes, engine start, stop, and seat ventilation. GT line only, and heating, SX Plus and GT line. And the GT line alone features a curved fully digital display that dominates the dash and comprises a central infotainment touchscreen and instrument cluster, both 12.3 inches in size. The bendy, panoramic arrangement also helps distinguish it from the similar setup found in many Mercedes-Benz models. Kia's UVO telematics system, which allows a smartphone or smartwatch to remotely control some functions, climate, engine start, lock, unlock, and access certain vehicle information. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone mirroring is standard, requiring USB connection in SX, SX Plus and GT line models but wireless in the S as with the outgoing generation. Wireless smartphone charging is available only in the GT line spec, which continues to be disappointing for such a desirable feature. The front door compartments are averagely sized, just about fitting a 500 ml stainless steel drinks bottle. This GT line is a pre-production model that featured differently upholstered seats, which in showrooms will be full leather with suede uppers. Electric adjustment for the front seats will be standard, while the flagship Sportage will also come with a panoramic, dual-pane, sunroof, LED interior lights, alloy sports pedals and ambient lighting. The new Kia Sportage has 591 liters of boot space. That's a significant improvement on the outgoing car's 503-liter capacity. Flip the back seats down and you can carry 1,780 liters of family odds and ends.